In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Tabby. Let's get started right away. First, you'll want to open the Google Play Store on your device. This is your gateway to downloading thousands of apps, including Tabby. If you're new to Android, you'll find the Play Store icon usually on your home screen or in the app drawer. Just tap on it to get started. The Play Store is where you'll find all the apps you can install on your Android device. Now, once you're in the Play Store, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. It's usually easy to spot with a little magnifying glass icon next to it. This is the tool you'll use to find Tabby among the vast array of apps available. Just tap on the search bar to activate it. Next, type the word Tabby into the search bar. As you type, you'll notice a list of suggestions appearing below. This is meant to help you find what you're looking for more quickly. Keep typing until you see the specific app you need, Tabby. Remember, spelling matters, so be sure to type it accurately. After that, you'll need to select the app named Tabby, Pay Over Time from the list of search results. This is important because there may be other apps with similar names and you want to make sure you're choosing the right one. Tap on the correct app to proceed to its download page. At this point, you should see an Install button on the app's page. Go ahead and tap Install to begin downloading Tabby onto your device. This is a crucial step as it starts the process of getting the app onto your phone. Once you tap Install, you'll need to wait for the download to complete. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet connection speed. Don't worry if it takes a little while. Just be patient and let it do its thing. The Play Store will handle everything for you. When the download is finished, you will see an Open button appear on the screen. Tap Open to launch the app for the first time. This is an exciting moment as you're about to dive into using Tabby. Now that Tabby is open, you'll need to sign in or register your account. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details. If not, you'll have the option to create a new account. This is an important step because it allows you to access all the features of the app. Creating an account is usually a straightforward process, asking for some basic information. With that ready, you are now set to start using Tabby to manage your purchases. This app offers a convenient way to pay over time, making it easier to manage your finances. Remember, having your account set up properly ensures a smooth user experience. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and set up Tabby on your device. Feel free to explore the app and discover all the features it has to offer. Thank you for watching and happy exploring.